Hi, I'm Starkey from Driftworks.com. Not Santa, although I'm dressed very festively today, as it is Christmas soon. Maybe when you watch this. So some of you will know me from many YouTube videos, but I haven't really done that much of anything recently. A lot of people as well assume that I have none or very little mechanical knowledge.
Mechanical? Keeping it in.
Mechanical.
Keep it in. Keep it absolutely. Keep
Mechanical knowledge. But actually, I do know some. I know enough to work on said Nissan. So those of you that don't know, I own and occasionally drive this yellow steed, which is my Nissan Silvia S15, and it's got an SR20 DETs.
Oh, in the box. I think I've maybe driven it more than you this year.
No, definitely. I've done miles. Some 2,500 miles this year.
Who drove it to Goodwood?
I did.
Oh, he's wind.
Yeah. You drove me to Telford, I win. So I've done 2,500 miles in this, which is a few tanks of fuel. On the journey to Goodwood and back, I used approximately 1 litre of oil. On the journey to Telford and back, I used around the same. So something is wrong. However, we need to investigate and see what's wrong. So tonight, myself and Chief Mechanic Monsieur Walker. You don't look happy.
Just feed me, Rich, we'll be alright.
Just feed me. So yeah, we're taking this out, and then Martin Richards from Richards Racing, who drives our 2J Nissan R32, is going to have a look and see how much damage is actually done. The current theory is I've washed the bores from running it too rich and doing too few real close journeys. So I think I've got bore wash, so hopefully I can just run OEM pistons and replace the rings and do things like valve stems and that sort of thing whilst the engine's up. Yeah, so I just need to cripple the car and wreck it.
Just need to bite the bullet, and you've been talking about it for a while, and it's ultimately coming down to once you do this, you can't move it anywhere.
The problem is we're all just theory crafting. We're all thinking, oh, it's going to be the rings.
I have the answer.
I mean, we took
LS.
LS. I wish I had the money for an LS. Maybe we should start a GoFundMe.
Oh God, you're gonna get an OnlyFans before you get an GoFundMe.
I'm sure I got some fans.
Super chat.
My mum, back of mum and dad.
If you could write in the comments here if you're a Starkey fan.
Who wouldn't be a Starkey fan? I don't know. Some of the comments are pretty brutal. Although my favourite one, someone did compare me to Boris Johnson, which is.
So you do sound exactly like him.
It's wonderful.
Yeah, borderline retarded.
He may not be your Prime Minister, he is my Prime Minister.
That's
and life model.
And life model.
That's fine.
What a man, what a hero.
Oh God.
Hero. But we took the oil out earlier and it stinks a lot of fuel. So it definitely confirms there is fuel in one's oil. It doesn't help that we do lots of moving it from there to here.
Yeah,
so lots of short journeys, so probably that's not helped. That's that. What else am I doing whilst oh yeah, the other thing as well, like I could just buy another SR20. I could go spend 1,500 quid, which is probably cheaper than what I'm going to do. Chuck another engine in, but the 25-year-old engines now. Yeah. Like actually, I'm buying another unknown. You're not really ever going to get a low mileage. No. Sort of those unicorny engines don't really exist. So are you better the devil you know with? Better the devil. I'd much rather have an engine that we've touched, I know what's going on, I know it's working, I know it's fixed. Your face is saying otherwise.
Always go for the unopened factory engine.
Yeah. Came out of a low mileage good runner.
One Highness. Only driven by one grandmother since new. Yeah.
Can you stop talking now so I can fire this grinder up?
Why are you firing the grinder up?
Because I need to machine my brake.
I mean, I'm not gonna. I'm mowing this because it's Christmas. I am gonna. No.
Yeah, come on, Starkey. Plan talk is over. Overall's on. The hat was cute. Let's never do that again.
Why? It's turned you on.
Yeah, maybe. I'm very confused. See you later. Go get changed. Go put on the overalls.
Right. So the main attack for this, we've already got the oil out. We did that at lunchtime, and then gonna drop the radiator out, get all the wet water. And then intercooler pipe work, get these off. Probably take this off and the crash bar, to be fair, might as well.
Well, we'll take that off if we need to, but we'll get the intercooler out of the way in case we smash it.
Then radiator out, pipes off, exhaust off.
Probably take the bonnet off unless it goes up further.
No, it does, but
Sort of feeling we'll just pull clip this out.
the forelift.
Yeah.
Yeah, without the box on though.
Yeah, without the gearbox.
Yeah, so the gearbox off, exhaust off, prop out.
Coming down.
So what does this fluid do, Rich?
Here's my coolant.
And what does the coolant do?
Cool my engine.
Cool. Very
Cools
cool.
everything.
So people might think you as
A mechanical recharge. Oh, is that?
that's nicer than what I was going to say. No, actually, it was ruder than what I was going to say. They might think that you're just a sort of stancy guy who can do wheel fitment and stuff, but your product knowledge is all right.
I think I'm
Pretty good, I'd say.
probably knowledgeable in the office.
Yeah, you're
For
definitely.
the Driftworks product lineup.
Yeah,
I
definitely.
think I know our catalogue better than maybe Phil. Phil, I mean, Phil's the one that knows it more than me.
Yeah. So, like, you do understand why things do things. You just don't really do a lot of practical
But
mechanical
I built
stuff.
this car, most of it, like together. I got to the point where, yeah, but once I've done it once, you just pay people to do it.
The logic is kind of flawed, but I do know.
How is the logic flawed?
Because once you know how to do it, you can just do it yourself. You're meant to.
I'm lazy.
The key to the issue.
I'm trying to remember when you built this car.
I did, like, I put all the arms on myself, the gears on myself, lower arms. Craig cut the arches. Me and you got this out the first time. Dan Joyce got the
I think we got this at my first week.
first week.
What, this engine?
Yeah.
Loving it.
'Cause remember I got
Move
the
have you got the T10?
Yeah, what are you doing?
remember the aircon exploded the first time as well.
Oh, it's got a dirty fan in it.
Yeah. You alright?
Obviously alright. Where's the 10mm?
Tell me what was here.
That's not the span at all.
It starts. So what do you reckon, Rich? An hour?
No, I think 3.
3?
I think 3 is a fair.
What do you think? What do you think?
3 hours? I don't want to be here till 9.
Well, no, worst case, like,
Okay, so wait.
On the way home by 8.
So you want to be out here by 8, and it is currently
Just after 6.
6:04. He reckons 3.
That's 9.
So
So, how much battery you got on the camera for when you're still here at midnight and I've gone home?
no,
You say-
I'm
you
going
say-
when you go, I'm not getting it done.
We're getting it done, Rich.
Yeah.
Just taking an engine out.
how many SRs have you taken out, Jay? In your time?
I don't know, to be honest. Not that many, only a couple.
Yeah, because you never owned SRs.
I had one once.
I'm on 2. This is my.
Well, if
So
you
I
have
took-
SRs, you've got to get used to taking it out.
This is. So I took it out the S14, and then taken out of this one.
I've never owned a Nissan though.
Yeah.
Could never bring myself to it.
Did you have SR86?
Sort of made one once,
Yeah.
and then came to my senses and bought an M3.
Yeah. Just moved on.
Sold it all and bought an M3.
Yeah.
Ruined yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
I've experienced that recently.
You've sold your Nissan.
Yeah, I got rid of a Nissan. I've not replaced it with a BMW, but I did have a shot of a few that I really liked.
You know what?
I had a shot of a few BMWs that I really liked.
I think a slammed 7 Series is the one.
I've been looking at, don't tell anyone, as he says it on the vlog, I've been looking at 36s and 46s recently.
Me and Luke were talking about it, E36 Touring, with the kit that Dan's dad makes.
Yeah.
That'd be the one.
You just
Why don't you like it?
you just like the
because what's wrong with the factory M Sport kit? It's the best one.
Yeah.
what I do really like is 36s and 46s on Japanese wheels.
Well, let's face it, anything on Japanese wheels realistically is.
So Germans make the best cars,
Germans make the best cars.
Japanese make the best wheels.
Well, they did them.
Oh, conflicted.
I don't know.
Why-
I mean, Japanese did make the T37.
Yeah.
When you know the good old T37, you know,
The classic.
yeah, not well the new Heritage Edition or whatever it is, just isn't.
Yeah, it's not quite the same.
No, we're going to take gearbox out first.
Gearbox up first.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
yoke the engine from the top.
So we just got the exhaust.
Just got
Just got the exhaust. One of the problems I am having, because the exhaust is like a mishmash of, I think that's like Jap speed downpipe, and then
But you film in the dark, can't you? With the torch.
no, this is a good camera.
Yeah, but it goes all jerky in the dark.
No,
and
that was
people
that was Phil's camera.
and then
this
people on
camera
YouTube
works.
get all sad and
But yeah, so one of the issues I've got is just the downpipe is awfully close to here, and I think under load it's vibrating off here. So maybe fix that when this is all out as well.
by getting a different downpipe.
Yeah, potentially getting the elbow moved. I think if the elbow was in.
That needs extension. I think we should do is get a bigger turbo
Yeah, definitely.
and then change everything.
Do a Morrison.
Exactly. Why it's apart, Rich?
So we're nearly there. I've put a glove on the end of the gearbox mount, which is wonderful, but the glove had a rip in and is now in the... Oh. I don't even know what I'm really doing.
Just make
Hold on
sure
to something.
it doesn't fall over. What's your foot?
Oh, I haven't got it. Have I? I might have it.
Yeah, you are.
I haven't got it. Maybe I do.
Confidence is not my strong point.
Unless you're talking about something you have no idea about.
Yeah. Fake confidence. It's 100% this.
Where are we going to throw this?
I'm scared, I guess.
Well, you need it. It's probably worth loads of money.
Yeah.
You won't need it when you put that LS in. LS enthusiast.
Yeah, LS was sequential.
That's the world.
Yeah, you probably need a sequential in this, to be honest.
Yeah?
And a couple of turbs on it.
Does that mean I can drive it like an auto?
No. Just pick it up.
Pick what up?
The gearbox.
Oh, right. To me.
Where are you putting it?
Where you polish it?
He does this thing when you carry stuff where he just starts putting stuff down without explaining.
Put this in. Don't leave it. No.
You missed it here.
Nah, not on that.
Is that filming?
Yeah.
No, I think I blocked it all.
So
No gas in it.
oh,
No gas in it.
just had a little aircon explosion. Not the first time you've had an aircon explosion, is it? With this exact car.
No gas in it. Aircon doesn't work, it's got no gas in it.
That's what I was told by an aircon engineer. You know, engineers.
Engineers.
Hoofed that up for a bit, eh? Choked to death.
But that's the thing about
Were you
aircon gas.
recording with it on the phone?
No, I wasn't. Because I thought there was no gas in it, much like everybody else involved in this situation. Did it get you in the face?
Nah.
Got me in the face last time.
Went downhill in the oil.
Great, cool.
Keep going, keep going. I think we just about make it. Whoa, slow. What's that? Oh, is it the forklift?
Yeah.
I was going to say, take the horn off. I took the battery off, that's what I'm trying to say.
An anti-theft. Engine theft.
If someone's got to this point before any alarm goes
Alright, Kermit. Right, well, we've made a complete mess, and
I think we did this last time as well, actually.
Yeah, how have we made a mess?
because you didn't turn the heater pipes off.
Yeah, but they would have made water at some point.
Yeah, we caught it when we were ready.
No, we wouldn't have caught it.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, it's very nice of that Japanese man to paint his rocker cover to match your clutch cover.
I mean, they came at two different times.
But I'm just saying, it's nice of him to have the forethought.
Yep.
Is this the reason you bought one?
Yeah, it's the main reason why I bought an extra. Other than the fact they're available at driftworks.com at very reasonable prices, with shipping available.
Come down.
Come now.
It's not done badly for time.
Time is it? You
No, I
looked
do.
at you.
I haven't even got a watch on.
He went, we've not done bad different time. Doesn't even know what time might just let me see. What time is it?
8:30.
Well, we're probably at for like 10 minutes.
More than that.
10 minutes? Right,
2 hours.
2 hours and...
This pallet somewhere else.
Well, we'll move that. You know, it needs to go somewhere, doesn't it? We need to tidy it.
I think we've done well. I think it's out in a night.
It's definitely out.
Just got to finish the rest of it. But
Come on, Reg, stand in front of it, pose for an outro.
what are we going to do now? Martin needs the tool block, so we need to get the inlet off, the
This thing.
inlet, the exhaust manifold, all the ancillaries off. But yeah, I'm not doing that now. I'm not doing it now. It's 8:30. I'm ready
You're
for
not
bed.
doing it?
We've got our Driftworks Christmas party tomorrow, and we're playing Laser Tag Quest,
Laser tag question.
Yeah.
and then we're going for pizza at Baked in Brick in Digbeth. Wonderful place.
Yep. Friends of the show.
Pardon?
Friends of the show.
Friends of the show. They say hi every time.
Do they?
Every time we saw them in Dining Club, they said hi. Yeah. Anyway, end of this part. I'm not doing any more. I'm done.
Thanks for watching this
Thanks.
instead of the Queen.
Instead of the Queen.
Oh, Christmas Day, it's the Christmas special this is.
Launch this at 3.
What?
Launch this at 3.
What? Yeah, 3
Well,
o'clock Christmas Day is a good time to put
Queen's
this out.
Speech. Yeah, that's Phil. Christmas Day, 3 o'clock.
Edit in here, 3 o'clock.
This is the alternative Queen's speech.
Okay, Rich Starkey's alternative Queen's speech, take 1 with his.
This would be King.
No, you're.
King Starkey's
King Dick.
Alright, come on. Queen's speech.
So what does the Queen talk about?
I don't know.
2020. The 20.
Wait a minute. Not cutting that out.
Pedo children.
Sexy kids.
They may not have met, but has met because there's a photo with her.
Alright, anyway.
Alright, right. Give us the close up of Rich Starkey's Queen's speech.
I'm Dick Starkey. We're not doing this. That's a wrap.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.